wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood of Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain. Today I want to talk to you about our Burlington Gold product and what exactly that is used for. For us, it's called our natural. So when you're dealing with outdoor products, we usually don't use clears because clears have no UV protection. Usually a clear is used in interior stains, even with boats, and you maintain the clear coat on top. We don't do that with a deck. So what we want is some UV protection. So we'll have a tone to it. Naturals, no matter who the manufacturer is, the natural usually is like the wet look or an enhanced look. So that's what we do with the Burlington Gold. Our Burlington Gold, one of our best features about it and why it's so popular is it's really a beautiful natural tone applied to any type of wood. So for instance, what we've done here is we take a piece of cedar, and you can see the natural tone to the cedar, and it's pretty. And a lot of people say, hey, the wood looks beautiful. Can you just put a clear coat? Well, there's no UV protection, so you can only expect about 3 months or so it starts to gray again. However, it has a little bit of tone, and if you look at it, it's an enhanced look. And what it is, it's just really kind of a wet look or a little bit of tone to it. That's where we get our UV protection. That will get us through that 2 years before we have to come back, do a light cleaning, and then do our recoat or our maintenance coats. So if you look, this is cedar, natural, cedar with a little bit of tone. It's not a big deal. It doesn't change the tone or color much, but it gives us our protection, our UV protection that we need to get us through that 2+ years before we come back for the maintenance coat. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. This is our Burlington Gold and our natural tone for our deck and wood stain. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and take a look at some other videos.